Dear students, now this is your economics class. The first chapter, the story of village of Palampur. Mostly chapter we have completed in the class, but again that the main point that I want to share with you. Let's see the something main point. The story of village Palampur. Do you know very well? And you have seen also the village of a hypothetical village of Palampur. This is a hypothetical village. We know very well. Farming is the main activity, transportation also, manufacturing also. Palampur is well connected with the neighboring village town Raiganj. 3 kilometer Palampur road well connected. Transportation system, tangas, bullock cart, many kind of transport are visible on the road. You can see wooden cart also loaded with jaggery. Jaggery mean good. 450 families. How many families? 450 families belonging to the several different caste. 80% of the families own majority of land. Electric connection, power all the tubes, and well developed system of road transport of whole thing. The story of Palampur imaginary village, we know that it's a hypothetical village. There are the farming activity and non-farming activity. We know very well non-farming activity. Organization of production, factor of production, we have discussed earlier. There are the four factor of production: land, labor, capital, physical capital, and one is human capital. Do you know land? About to labor also. Physical capital, that type of the capital which we can see and touch. The word is show physical. Physical means the type word which we can see and touch. Two types of the capital, do you know very well? One is a working capital and one is a fixed capital. Raw material also, day to day variety of the raw material such as yarn used by the weaver. Money is always required, take care, money always required during production to make payment and buy necessary item. Raw material machinery in such type of the card is a working capital. When the types of capital which we have need to time for day to day activities, the type of the capital is called working capital. And fixed capital, like is a which cannot move easily, heavy machine for several year, durable goods if you want to purchase, then type we will use fixed capital. Then after factor of production, one is the human capital also. Picture identify the land, labor, capital. This is a human capital, this is a machine of a, this is a physical capital, these all people are doing the work here, so they are considered as a human capital. Factor of production we know very well, land completed. Then second point, is there any grow more from the same land? Yes, this point also we have discussed how with the same land we can be produce more quantity of goods. So it was answer was the HYV sheets. Do you know Kharif, Rabi, cotton, electric also Palampur well developed, and the main point is HYV seeds. The same HYV seeds we can be producing more quantity of a production, more quantity of a farm, more quantity of a crop with the same land. This is possible only with help of a HYV seeds. Good quality of irrigation, most common way of increasing production. Piece of the given piece of land, mean the same piece of land, at least two main crop in potato and the third crop in the past 15 and 20 years. That is possible only with the help of a good quality of a irrigation system. And the second HYV seeds, high yielding, we can say that it is important to increase. The way of the increasing production from the same land is multiple cropping method. Multiple cropping method, the use of modern farming method. Modern farming, this is the example of modern farming method. Clear? HYV seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, dams, electricity, pump set. With the help of the dam, we can set up irrigation system, canals, pump set, electricity, diesel, farm machinery, tractor. This is a harrow, or we can say here rootavator. ठीक है, we can be equalization of the land. So this is the modern farming method. Again, please see, this is a very important point of the 5 mark question may become in exam. HYV seeds. Second, fertilizers, pesticides, dams, electricity, pump set, all the irrigation setup, dam and simultaneously canals and pump set, tubers, diesel we have need for the that run of tractor. Another thing, this is a HYV seeds, main important point. Same piece of land, try to understand, the same piece of land would now produce for larger quantity of food grain than the possible earlier. This is possible with help of H high yielding variety seeds. Green revolution in the late 19th sector introduced in the Indian farming cultivation of wheat and rice using the, it's a very important point you can note down in your here notebook. The Green Revolution in the late 1960s introduced the Indian farming to cultivation of wheat and rice in the two-way wheat and rice using the high yielding variety seeds compared to the traditional seeds. High yielding variety seed promise or it leads to produce more quantity of goods in the case of wheat and rice. So this one is today and tomorrow, the 2 days I will be complete this chapter. Then next in the next week we will start the in the test of this chapter. Okay, one objective marks test will be held in this. Next, pesticide to produce higher yielding variety seeds, irrigation, Palampur. Now the one question is here, the difference between multiple cropping and modern farming method. Multiple cropping we know very well. At the same time we take the more than one cropping pattern, multiple cropping. And modern farming, just you have seen all types of the, you can write it, the point, a segment of a multi that modern farming method. Green revolution also. नेक्स्ट, हाउ द लैंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन द फार्मर ऑफ पालमपुर, कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया हुआ है. इंपॉर्टेंट लैंड इज फॉर फार्मिंग. अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट ऑल पीपल एंगेज इन एग्रीकल्चर हैव सफिशिएंट लैंड फॉर कल्टीवेशन इन पालमपुर. अबाउट 1/3 फैमिली कितने के पास है, 1/3 ऑफ फैमिली, 450 फैमिलीज आर लैंडलेस. 150 फैमिली यानी 150 के पास क्या भूमि नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ देम दलित हैं, हैव नो लैंड फॉर कल्टीवेशन, उनके पास बोने के लिए जमीन नहीं है. Of the remaining family who own land, 240 family cultivate small plot, mean that more than this they have the small plots of land less than 2 hectare in size. Cultivation such plot doesn't bring adequate income to the farmer family also. You can see that large number of small plots scattered around the village. Scattered mean that one is here, one is here, one is here. This is called the scattered of land. एक यहाँ पर है, एक यहाँ पर है, एक यहाँ पर है. These are cultivated by the small farmer. On the other hand, more than half area of village is covered by the plot are quite large in size. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares. Also, that you make in your notes in your notebook. On the other hand, more than half area of village is covered by the plot that are quite large in size. In village of Palampur, there are 60 family. How many family? 450 family, 150 landless. Minus 60 those who have the that more than 2 hectare, or the remaining is left 240 families. Just to say 4, this is a 450. The 450 families, you can check the 450 family. The 450 minus 150 minus 153 and 300, like is a 240 families cultivated at 450 minus 150, 300 minus 240 minus 240 less than 2 hectare. and only 60 families are left. After that, 450 minus 150, 300, 300 minus 240, 60. 60 families who having the more than large farmer cultivate more than 2 hectare of land. A few of large farmer have land extended over 10 hectare. एक मतलब 60 ऐसी फैमिली है जिनके पास 2 हेक्टेयर से ज्यादा है, और कुछ फैमिली फैमिली तो इतनी ज्यादा है जिनके पास 10 हेक्टेयर और मोर से भी ज्यादा भूमि है. तो यू विल मेक द चार्ट इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपको जस्ट टू रिवाइज एंड देन टुमारो वी विल डू. How much is left? Let's the who will provide the labor after land labor. Okay, this is the Dala and Ramkali. This is also left, no need to this. The capital needed in the farming. Modern farming method require great deal of the capital, so that farmer now needs more money than before. If the farmer want to do the modern farming, obviously they want to purchase tractor, rotavator, harvester, pesticides. Obviously they have need more capital. Most small farmer have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from the large farmer, village money lender. Now the one question is here. There are the two methods. A farmer can take the loan from either money lender or from the formal method from the banking sector. Traders who supply various input for cultivation, the rate of interest on such loan is very high. If the farmer take the loan from the money lender, then such loan is very high. They are put to great distress to repay the loan. मतलब डिस्ट्रेस का मतलब उसके ऊपर बर्डन हो जाएगा, और दैट पर्सन और फार्मर बिकम अनेबल टू पे द लोन. Yes, again see that to contrast the small farmer, the medium and large farmer have their own saving. They are thus able to arrange capital needed. How do the farmer have their own saving? You shall find the answer in the next session. मतलब either he can be use the past saving or take the loan from the money lender. क्या तो वो अपनी past saving का use करेंगे या फिर क्या लेंगे, लोन लेंगे. किस लिए? Because they have need more capital to do the modern farming. Modern farming method require great deal of small farmer, both land capital, sale of surplus farm product. Let's see that after farmer have produced on their land using the three factor of production, the wheat harvested production is completed. Now after completed the production point, now they want to sell of their surplus in the market. Like Smita, Govind, small from this substantial, the medium and large farmer who supply wheat to market. You can see the block cards streaming into the market. Mean that here I want to say कि after production of the goods, now and keep remaining with the consumption, sell the surplus wheat in the market. And the market, the trader at the market buy wheat, trader market में खरीदेगा and sell it further to shopkeeper in the town. So दोबारा shopkeeper को बेच देगा. You can say तेजपाल सिंह large farmer, surplus 350 क्विंटल उसके पास था. तेजपाल do earning last year, his account में पैसा हो जाएगा. Saving who are in need in loan, use saving to arrange for the working capital. जो बच जाएगा पैसा उसको saving working capital की तरह use करेगा. Here, the like Tezpal, other large medium farmer sell the surplus farm product. Like Tezpal and other farmers also keep remaining for consumption purpose. Consumption purpose के लिए अपने पास रख के remaining they sell into the market. ओन सेविंग, सम फार्मर माइट आल्सो यूज द सेविंग टू बाई कैटल, कुछ इसको क्या करेंगे, कैटल खरीदेंगे, ट्रक खरीदेंगे, सेटअप शॉप, अपनी दुकान खोलेंगे, और एज वी शैल सी दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द कैपिटल फॉर द नॉन फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी, की बाकी जो कैपिटल कहाँ पे यूटिलाइज करेंगे, फॉर द नॉन फार्मिंग activities. Remaining part we will do tomorrow. Up to that you just prepare the question answer and just try to understand all from your NCERT book. Dear friend, if you have doubt you can ask me. Capital needed, this is a way to how to take the loan, who will provide the labor, this is the method, farming method. Before that was the method, then second is a tractor, this is a modern farming method, this is a traditional method, this is a modern farming method. Convert it. So these are the four modern farming method, you can check. All points are given, this is a modern farming method. So today up to that, here students, revise all things and prepare the notes. Thank you dear students.